One of the most well-known people in the financial sector is Cathie Wood, the founder of Ark Invest. Significant investments have been made in businesses including Tesla, Square, and Zoom through her investment firm, which focuses on disruptive technologies. Wood recently discussed the future possibilities of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cathie Wood made an outlandish claim about Ethereum in a recent interview that no one else has made. Wood asserts that the current financial system and traditional banking might be replaced by Ethereum. This assertion, albeit bold, has some backing. Ethereum, a blockchain technology, enables programmers to create decentralized apps. These programs can be used to develop new financial products, including insurance coverage, lending platforms, and decentralized exchanges. These applications don't rely on conventional financial institutions to operate because they are decentralized. This implies that they are able to function without the help of centralized organizations like governments. According to Wood, Ethereum's decentralization gives it the power to wreak disruption. Banks and other financial entities have extensive control over the movement of money under the current financial system. They have the power to decide who is eligible for credit, establish interest rates, and develop new financial products. They have a lot of power as a result and frequently leave clients feeling helpless. Yet, the power structure is altered by Ethereum and other decentralized financial DeFi technologies. Users can directly communicate with one another instead of depending on centralized entities to do so. They can therefore establish their own terms and develop their own financial services. Additionally, it implies that they are not dependent on conventional banking institutions to receive financing. Wood asserts that Ethereum has the potential to develop into a store of value similar to Bitcoin. Although Bitcoin is sometimes referred to as digital gold, Ethereum has several applications that increase its value. For instance, Ethereum has intrinsic value that goes beyond its use as a currency storage, since it can power decentralized apps. Being cryptocurrency investors themselves, the Winklevoss twins recently discussed the future of Bitcoin and Ethereum on CNBC. They claimed to concur with Wood's appraisal of Ethereum's potential and express confidence in its ability to continue growing over the ensuing years. The Winklevoss twins also discussed their predictions for the price of Bitcoin and Ether in 2021. They predict that Bitcoin will cost $500,000 and Ethereum will cost $20,000 each coin. Although these forecasts are bold, they have been made in the past. History has shown that both Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen substantial growth, and many industry insiders anticipate that this growth will continue in the future. Clearly, investing in cryptocurrency carries some risk. Due to the enormous irrationality of the market, prices might change significantly. Due to the popularity of cryptocurrencies as a target for hackers, there is also a possibility of fraud and theft. Nonetheless, many investors think that the benefits may outweigh the risks. The market is anticipated to expand as more people show interest in cryptocurrencies. To investors that enter the market early, its expansion may present vast opportunities. The claim made by Cathie Wood that Ethereum has the capacity to transform conventional finance is partially true. The power dynamics in the financial industry may shift as a result of Ethereum's and other DeFi apps' decentralized nature. The Winklevoss twins' audacious but not entirely original predictions for the pricing of Bitcoin and Ethereum in 2021 are also crucial to take note of. Although there is some risk involved in investing in cryptocurrencies, many investors think the rewards could be greater than the risks. How accurate these projections turn out to be over the coming months and years will be interesting to observe. In recent years, Cathie Wood, the founder and CEO of Ark Invest, has emerged as one of the most well-known figures in the financial industry. The Queen of Innovation, as Wood is known, has been at the forefront of investing in cutting-edge businesses and groundbreaking technology, generating huge profits for her clients. Wood's investing strategy is predicated on the idea that innovation will drive growth in the world economy. She focuses on businesses that are revolutionizing markets and altering how we live by developing distinctive goods, services, and business strategies. Companies in the disciplines of genetics, robotics, artificial intelligence, and blockchain are among the enterprises in which Wood has invested. Wood is still a controversial figure in the investment world, despite her stellar track record and the success of her funds. Several investors and analysts believe she overvalues these companies and concentrates too much on high-risk, high-reward enterprises due to her bullish outlook on technology and innovation. The fact that Wood invests a lot of money in businesses that are still losing money is one of the main criticisms of her approach. Due to this, some investors are beginning to doubt the viability of her method and the ability of the businesses she invests in to ever produce the profits she claims. Wood has defended her strategy by claiming that in the age of innovation, the conventional metrics used to evaluate organizations are no longer relevant. She argues that conventional methodologies to valuing fall short of capturing the full worth of these businesses, since destructive ideas have the potential to completely revolutionize entire industries. Also, critics have drawn attention to how deeply invested Wood is in a few businesses, such as fintech and electric vehicles. Some investors claim that because of her specialization, her funds are more vulnerable to market declines in particular industries. Notwithstanding the criticism, Wood's strategy has provided her investors with remarkable profits. The company's flagship fund, the Ark Innovation ETF, has outperformed the S&P 500 index by a significant margin and has returned over 200% since its launch in 2014. Its success has enhanced Wood's standing as a forward-thinking investor. The COVID-19 epidemic, which has hastened the deployment of many of the technologies that Wood has been sponsoring for years, has furthered Wood's positive outlook on technology and innovation. The epidemic has made e-commerce, telemedicine, and remote employment more crucial than ever. Wood has remained optimistic about each of these changes. Furthermore, Wood adheres to the same investment philosophies as many younger investors, notably millennials, who place a premium on social and environmental responsibility. Younger investors have noticed that Wood's funds place a lot of emphasis on businesses that combat climate change and promote sustainable development. These investors are becoming more aware of how their investments affect the environment and society. As a result of her optimistic outlook on innovation and technology, Cathie Wood has earned a contentious reputation in the world of investing. Although some have criticized her method for putting too much focus on high-risk, high-reward ventures, the majority of her detractors have come around due to her track record of remarkable profits. As the world looks for solutions to the difficulties of the 21st century, Wood's investments in destructive technologies and startup businesses may hold the key. Due to her daring investing approach and unshakable belief in innovation's capacity to grow in a continuously changing environment, Cathie Wood is regarded as a pioneer in the investment industry. There is no questioning the influence she has had on the industry and the ability of the companies she invests in to transform our world, despite the fact that her method has drawn both praise and condemnation. We can only speculate about the cutting-edge discoveries and revolutionary technology that Wood will come across and finance in the future. Due to her apparent lack of slowing down at all, investors from all over the world are eagerly awaiting what the Queen of Invention will do next.